Welcome. Sage 100 2026.0 offers exciting new features that guarantee better user experience, advanced capabilities, and flexibility needed for today's business. On the Home tab, click the new Global Search button to perform a global search in Sage 100 data. For example, you can search to find all inventory items that are in a specific default warehouse, or find all accounts receivable invoices associated with a specific salesperson. You can now track lot code source and country of origin for items on the FDA food traceability list that must be tracked per the Food Safety Modernization Act. The lot serial expiration options originally on the Additional tab have been moved to the new Lot Serial tab. The Enable Tracking of Lot Code Source checkbox has been added on the Lot Serial tab. Once you have received the purchase order, you can assign the lot code source. In the Lines tab, select the item code you want to track. Assign a lot number. Enter the distribution amount. Enter a lot code source, which is a 50-character alphanumeric field that identifies the location where the original lot code was assigned. Lastly, select a country of origin from the list provided. You can now define one or more warehouse groups in Warehouse Group Code Maintenance, a new task on the Setup menu. The Enable Warehouse Grouping checkbox has been added in Inventory Requirements Planning options. In Warehouse Group Code Maintenance, create a new warehouse group and add a description. Select whether the warehouse will be a production or purchase warehouse. Now, when you go into Inventory Requirement Planning, you can see all the items you have to make, or all the items you have to buy for purchases, buy for production, or buy to put into stock. You have the flexibility to zip multiple forms into a single attachment on consolidated emails, and you can schedule the delivery of consolidated emails using Task Scheduler. Select a customer, then go to Paperless Delivery options. Select the type of document and include the email option. In the Email tab, select the Consolidate Emails for Customer option. In Electronic Delivery Message Maintenance, the selections at the Document field have been expanded so that you can now create unique email messages for specific documents in a document group. For example, in the SO Invoice document group, you can create unique messages for a credit memo or debit memo. Also, use the new Copy From button to copy an existing email message record and then modify it to meet your business needs. Use the new AI-powered Sage Help Agent to find answers to your Sage 100 questions. On the Home tab, click the Sage Help Agent button to use the agent in your desktop browser. Ask a question about what you want to do or know, and the agent will guide you to the correct information in Sage 100 Help. You can select from commonly searched topics or type in your own question in the search bar. Drill down to get specific steps to resolve your issue. New options have been added that enable you to set additional requirements that determine which purchase orders sync from Sage 100 to Sage Supply Chain Intelligence. Allow Sync for Sage Supply Chain Intelligence checkbox in Vendor Maintenance. Sync to Sage Supply Chain Intelligence checkbox in Purchase Order Entry. In Vendor Maintenance, select a vendor, then select the additional tab. Use the Allow Sync for Sage Supply Chain Intelligence checkbox in Vendor Maintenance to determine if purchase orders for a specific vendor sync. Use the Sync to Sage Supply Chain Intelligence checkbox in Purchase Order Entry to determine if a specific purchase order syncs. This checkbox can only be viewed in Purchase Order History Inquiry. On the Production Management Material Shortage Report, you now have the option to exclude records that have zero quantity. For more information about this release, program fixes, requirements, and more, please refer to the What's New in Sage 100 2026.0 document.